I got a little CSS hack for you today. So my client was complaining that clicking on these words doesn't do anything. As you can see, nothing happens when I click there. In order to open the link, you have to click on the image, and they want it so that the image and the text, basically this whole square, is just one giant link. And there was no option to make this happen using the plugin that created this layout. It's called Media Grid. So I had to get a little creative. What I did was I found this div here in the code, and I gave it a transform translate y of negative 100%. What that does is that moves the element up by a distance equal to its own height. And the reason it disappeared is because right now it's behind the other elements. So then I also gave it a z index of 999, which I could probably just make it 99. Yep, 99 works. That just makes it so it's on top of the other elements there. And then last thing I did was give it a pointer events none. What this does is basically it makes it so as far as the mouse is concerned, this element doesn't even exist, which means if you try to click on this element, the mouse is actually going to click on whatever element is underneath it. And in this case, what's underneath it is the link, because we moved this div up so that it was sitting on top of the link behind it. So now if I click on this, you can see that it opens up the link that is sitting behind it.